Android Wear devices have a variety of screen technologies, each with their own advantages and considerations. When designing ambient mode for your watch face, you should consider how it affects battery life and screen burn-in on different screens. You can configure your watch face to display different ambient designs depending on the kind of screen available on your device. Consider the best design for your watch faces on all screens. Some displays use a reduced color space in ambient mode to save power. One reduced color space power saving method is to use a low bit mode. In low bit mode, the available colors are limited to black, white, blue, red, magenta, green, cyan, and yellow, as shown in this diagram here. So this means you cannot use anti-aliasing, which is commonly used to blur the edges of lines and text to make it look smooth. You can see how the top ABC123 looks much smoother than the bottom one. You can't do this smoothing in low bit mode. On displays like OLEDs, illuminating pixels consumes power, so the more pixels you can leave as black will be more efficient. You should aim for 5% of pixels illuminated. Other displays support grayscale in ambient mode, so you can support showing a background image like you can see here. Generally, you probably want to keep things simple and not show a background on any type of device, but you can in this scenario. As we said before, OLED displays are capable of being always on and have good power efficiency, but it comes with the problem of screen burn-in. If pixels are illuminated constantly, they'll eventually be burnt into the display permanently. So you should always disable the background and keep 95% of the pixels truly black, and also avoid solid regions. To avoid solid regions, you could replace solid shapes like these hands with an outline, and hollow out the center where the hands meet, like in this image here. The system actually jiggles your image by a few pixels every so often to ensure that no pixels are ever stuck being permanently on. You might notice this as the watch goes from interactive to ambient mode. Here is a sped up view of a watch, and you can see the movement of the screen over time. Okay, let's do a quick quiz. Let's match the appropriate watch face with the watch hardware that we have.